So I get you the live pictures that are coming in. Of course, that special three-tier cake that has now been built as an exact replica of the trophy that has been won in the T20 International World Cup. As we are looking at the images there, the chefs at the ITC Maurya Kitchens have been given this extra time when it comes to making this exceptionally beautiful cake. Let me quickly go across to Isha now, because Isha, Team India is first expected when it comes to the reception, of course, that they have received. They will be cutting the cake, a small ceremony that will happen, and of course, after that, they will be leaving for the Prime Minister's residence.
Right, yes, Amita. In fact, we are currently reporting from ITC Maurya, and the stage is all set for the cricket team to arrive here. In fact, we can also see that the support staff has already started to come in. The short ceremony will be taking place in a few moments from now. In fact, requesting my also camera person to zoom in a little to give you a sense of what is happening here. The support staff, other cricketers have begun to arrive here at the moment, and the environment is electric here. Fans have gathered in large numbers, have queued up, and are so excited to catch a glimpse of their favorite cricketers. In fact, we'll also try and get a word from these fans who have been very excited, and they have been waiting here patiently for hours for Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, especially the two of them to come out. Both of them have announced their retirement from T20 cricket. We'll try and get a word from this particular fan as well. Sir, you are waiting for your favorite cricketer. Where are you from and how are you feeling?
So I'm originally from Delhi, but I've come from US to visit this.
In fact, currently the breaking update right now is Jai Shah has just arrived, Amita. In fact, Jai Shah has moved towards the pavilion. He has just walked in. So the players are expected to also arrive shortly here at the moment. But going back to this cricket fan here, sir, you've come here specially to see the cricketers?
I couldn't go to the games this time, so I thought I'll meet the team here. So I booked the room here last night to come and see the team.
How are you feeling? The World Cup has been lifted.
Yes, really excited. I've been supporting the team, going to Australia and coming India last time for the 50-over World Cup. So glad to be here and join this celebratory moment.
Right, yes. So, in fact, Amita, you did hear the fans state that they are very excited, and in fact, they especially came here. But we're also being joined by two other fans, two fairly younger fans here, who are also very excited to welcome. In fact, you can see their phones are hoisted up, so to make sure that they don't miss a glimpse of their favorite cricketers. So, how are you both feeling, and especially now that the World Cup has been lifted?
I think it's an overwhelming feeling and an incredible feeling at the same time. And to see the players come to Delhi, you don't get to see that very often in the capital. So I think, just seeing them come here and they have motivated the entire country.
How are you feeling?
I mean,
You're wearing a cricket jersey as well?
Right, I'm speechless. I mean, the feeling is incredible. It's extremely emotional for every Indian that we've won the World Cup. And seeing them, it just... I don't have words. I just go blank when I see them.
Right, yes, Amita. So you did hear the fans state that they are spellbound by this particular moment here. Cricketers will be trickling in shortly, but giving you a glimpse of what is happening here. Requesting my camera person to also pan in to show you the number of people who have gathered here to witness these particular fans. In fact, this is a historic day, and the cricketers are all set to arrive here shortly. Back to you.
Well, we are just keeping an eye out on any movement there, because it's expected when it comes to Team India. Of course, they've had some time on their own now to freshen up, to get ready. And a small cake cutting ceremony that will be taking place. Of course, the close-up of that cake where you can see it's a three-tier cake that has specially been decorated, and atop that, it's not a cherry on the cake, but rather a trophy on the cake. Isha, as we are looking at those pictures that are coming in, this cake itself is very interesting. We've been speaking to the chefs as well who made it, and a lot has gone into it. Several hours of labor has gone into making this cake extra special.
Right, yes, Amita, absolutely. In fact, you correctly pointed out it's the trophy on the cake. I think it's better than any other cherry on the cake here. But tracking here the visuals, you can see that security has also been heightened. They are making sure that the fans don't move towards the other side of the barricade here. But in a few moments from now, Amita, we will be witnessing the cricketers arrive here shortly. We also spoke to the chef who made the cake, and a cake cutting ceremony will take place, and it is an extremely special one as well because 3 key players of the T20 team of the Indian cricket team have announced their retirement from the T20 cricket. So in fact today is a very special day. The environment here is very electric, and fans have trickled in large numbers. So in fact in a few moments from now we are witnessing, any moment from now, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma and other players to walk out of there. Back to you.
When it comes to the first message that came in for celebrating this victory that Team India had, Shivani, that was the message that came in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Well, the kind of special arrangements that have been made at the hotel, we're expecting that special arrangements will also be made at the Prime Minister's residence, where they will be heading next.
Amita, and sometime from now, as we were seeing those visuals of the cake, and you were saying that it's not just the cherry on the cake, but the trophy on the cake, I just want to add on to it that it's not been a cakewalk for the team, and it has been a very challenging tournament. They have been playing brilliantly in all the matches, and today, when they came to Delhi, everybody, thousands of fans who were standing there at the airport, they all were bleeding blue, smiles at their faces, that thrill, that electrifying atmosphere in Delhi, not only on the airport, is seen. It's very much evident wherever we go while coming to this place from the airport. We could see that fans were holding placards and they were appreciating their players, they were welcoming them. And here at 7 LKM, when these players will be moving from the hotel towards PM's residence, where they'll be meeting him for around 1.5 hours. Special arrangements have already been made there. It is a breakfast meeting. Special breakfast delicacies would be served undoubtedly to the stars of the country, the men in blue, the heroes. And more than that, the words of encouragement, sharing of experiences with Prime Minister would be great. We've seen on the earlier occasions also, be it after the Olympics or the matches when the team has fared well, and otherwise also when we missed that cup last year. Then too, Prime Minister has stayed connected to the players, encouraged them, shared their experiences, and today also we are expecting a one-to-one talk with each and every player when Prime Minister would be meeting all these players.
Well, an ardent fan himself, because we have seen, as far as Prime Minister Modi himself is concerned, he had a word with the cricketers right after their win. Of course, a special message that also came across. बट जसवंत राय जी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ रहे, कोच रहे हैं अर्शदीप के. जसवंत राय जी, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है आवाज
जी. जसवंत राय जी, क्या कहेंगे आप, क्योंकि अब टीम इंडिया वापस आ गई है, सब सारे खिलाड़ी वापस आ गए. ऑफ कोर्स अगर अर्शदीप की बात करें तो करियर की अभी फिलहाल शुरुआत ही है, अभी काफी लंबी पारी है जो खेलनी पड़ेगी अर्शदीप को.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. अर्श ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है और मैं यही चाहता हूँ कि वो और हिंदुस्तान के लिए और अच्छा खेले और ऐसे और बड़े कप जीत के लेके आए.
तो आखिरकार जिस तरह से कोचिंग अगर बात की जाए अर्शदीप की, शुरुआत से लेकर अब तक, अगर आपको कहाँ लगता है कि अर्शदीप का, अभी तो नौजवान है, एकदम युवा क्रिकेट खिलाड़ी है, और हमने देखा है कि चाहे विराट कोहली हो या रोहित शर्मा क्यों ना हो, इनकी शुरुआत इसी उम्र से ही हो गई थी या उससे भी पहले.
अच्छा लग रहा है. अभी जस्ट वो 25 साल का है, तो काफी डे बाय डे वो जैसे मैच खेल रहा है, वो काफी अपने को इम्प्रूव कर रहा है. बॉलिंग में काफी सुधार हो रहा है उसके, काफी मैच्योर हो रहा है. तो मुझे लग रहा है कि वो आने वाले दिनों में और जैसे अगले वर्ल्ड कप तक भी हिंदुस्तान के लिए सेवा करेगा और ऐसी बॉल डालेगा और एक वर्ल्ड कप और जीत के लाएंगे हम, चाहे वो वनडे का हो चाहे T20 हो.
तो अगली जो तैयारियां हैं टूर्नामेंट की, वो शुरू हो चुकी है सर, या अभी भी अर्शदीप अभी सेलिब्रेशंस करेंगे और उसके बाद फिर तैयारियां शुरू होंगी?
अभी तो 3-4 दिन वो सेलिब्रेशन में रहेगा, उसके बाद उसकी तैयारी करेंगे. अभी ये T20 की तरफ हम देख रहे हैं, उसको तो अच्छा कर रहा है, लेकिन उसको वनडे और डेज के लिए भी तैयार करना है, तो उसकी भी तैयारी शुरू करेंगे अभी.
चलिए जसवंत जी आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. So that's the coach of Arshdeep. We also have Alan Sippy also joining us. Alan, good morning to you. It's been an early start for all of us, and of course this is something that we don't mind. We are eagerly awaiting now for the Team India's arrival as they come down from the hotel, and of course will be leaving shortly for the Prime Minister's residence. Alan.
Yes, Abhita, this is wonderful to the cricketing nation. We are starved of success. For last many years, we haven't won the World Cup, and this is a tremendous honor for all the cricketers to win this, because we are a cricketing nation that wants our cricketers to do well. We back them, in all the times that we watch cricket, we're always supporting them. In fact, sometimes we feel that we are part of them. When they're playing, we feel that we are as well as them. We are actually fighting for the country. So to win this match, to win this World Cup, and to win it in style, because this Indian team didn't lose a single match. They won it in complete style. And this is why I think that Indian cricket is in very safe hands, because they've got tremendous bench strength as well. This team, okay, a few people have retired from this format, but the bench strength that Indian cricket team has is incredible. And, these boys today who have won the World Cup, it is going to be etched in their memories, because this is a lifetime achievement, once in a lifetime achievement. Sometimes it might be twice in your life. But this is what people dream about. This is what Olympic athletes dream about, winning the Olympics. Cricketers dream about winning World Cups. This is incredible. I mean, the entire country, the entire cricketing world, the Indians all around the world must be so proud. They're all proud of the Indian team. And it's wonderful. They deserve every accolade they get, everything that comes their way.
And I believe, Alan, if someone who hasn't watched cricket much has now turned into an ardent cricket fan, looking at when it comes to the celebrations that have been taking place, because all eyes are now glued to the trophy, and of course the trophy cake also that we are looking at soon, that will be cut on part of the Team India members as